Did you see the texture on the card I'm putting this face onto? Hey ho, guys. By now you should know that I'm working on ATCs every day, and today's no exception. You probably know about Frida Kahlo. She is well known in arts communities, and I am going to do a series of 3 ATCs based on her life. And the first card I was working on was her as a young girl, before she had her mishaps and problems in life. And so she's happy and she's holding a heart and, she's representing for her country. She's got her Mexican outfit on and she's got a bull in front of her. And, there are words on there about her life. And then the next one is more about her pain and sorrow and the excruciating part of her life. She had to wear these body casts that were just horrendous. She had polio, and she also was in a terrible bus wreck. So she spent a lot of time in bed working on her mixed media art. So I thought I would make 3 ATCs based on Frida. It is her birthday coming up here, and I just wanted to help celebrate. So, yes, young girl, and then the one with all the painful stuff that in the background it looked like a spine. That's what I was pointing out on the background. But, she had uh, terrible back pain and spent many, many hours in bed. That's why she did so many self-portraits, because that's what she had for a model. That's what she could do from her bed. So I'm going to glue these things down. I will give you some final shots. The third card is going to be part of the video hop for Artsy Second Sunday. That's a collaboration with many of my other YouTube friends, and Marta was putting this together for us. So come and hop along and see what everybody else is doing. There are premieres, so you can chat with the group, and it's only 15 minutes per video. And I think it usually starts with Marta out on the West Coast at 9 a.m. So, yeah, she is doing this every month. I missed last month, but I did do it the month before. So, um, I'm just punching out some flowers to go into her hair because her way she wore her hair was very traditional and braids with flowers in her hair, and I want to represent that image. So watch for the video hop on Sunday, and I'll see you guys with the next video. I hope you enjoyed this. If you do and you're new to my channel, be sure to like, share, subscribe, thumbs up, all that stuff that lets YouTube know that this is content that you're enjoying. And I'll see you again soon.